You may be going through a divorce or custody case and you just simply can't reach any agreements, and you're thinking, the other party's got to be a narcissist. And it's possible. There's a whole range of narcissism. Narcissists can be completely self-absorbed, and it might be just someone who doesn't like to reach agreements. And I've been dealing with these cases for over 3 decades. I'm Jim Krayeveld, founding and lead attorney at Krayeveld Family Law, and I'd like to discuss how narcissism impacts your case, because it's probably not going to settle. Narcissism is a personality trait or a disorder that's characterized by exaggerated sense of self-importance. And narcissists usually lack appropriate levels of empathy, and they definitely need to have excessive amounts of admiration. And if you are in a relationship with them, whether married or not married, you may have successfully dealt with their problems by just simply kowtowing to all of their successes and praising them for how wonderful they've done things. And you gave them the necessary kudos so that their narcissism didn't turn against you, but they just got it fed. Narcissists are often financially successful, and you may have reaped the benefits from that while with them. But now that you're in a divorce, that narcissist has still that same sense of entitlement and arrogance, and it's going to want them to process your entire case differently, and they're going to make it miserable. So, when you're dealing with a true narcissist, you can expect to have your case have significantly increased expenses. They're not going to want to settle, they're going to want to fight because they have to be right. You can expect lies, unreasonable contact, and a lot of emotional pain. They're going to spread lies to the court system. They're going to spread lies to your relatives. They're going to spread lies to your friends because they will want to attack you because you're standing up to them and you're not kowtowing to them being the all-important person. Which means that the process is going to take longer. It'll become more expensive. Your friends are going to be affected. Your environment's going to be affected. Your family's going to be affected. And you're going to want to expose the narcissist. But that's probably not even going to happen either. Because as much as you need to have your attorney stand up to them, you're not going to be vindicated by having a court or a judge or a referee go, oh wow, this person was a narcissist. Their conduct was inappropriate. They made your life hell. No. But how do you deal with that? Well, first of all, don't engage. Use our family wizard. Respond via emails, because if you get engaged with talking to them or involved with text messages back and forth, they're going to just keep the fight going. So if you can in any way dial that back or not engage, you might slow that down. In the end, you're endeavoring to survive this process. Yes, you need a good attorney who can stand up for you, but let them do the engagement with the narcissist attorney. And at the end, you simply want it done. Yes, you want to retain your custody rights. Yes, you want to retain your assets, but don't engage because you can't with a true narcissist. Hopefully that helps. Until next time.